going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander, and today I'm going to show you how to pull out your cabin air filter if you'd like to service it. It's going to be located behind your glove box, so we need to lower this glove box door. So our first step is going to be to open the glove box, then to disconnect this damper here by pulling on it. And if we look right here, these are glove box stoppers. These stop the glove box from opening up too far. We're going to push these in like this on both sides, okay, and then we're going to kind of put some pressure on the glove box and pull it down as we do that. Now you notice that as we're doing this, the glove box has come off its hinge at the bottom. This is perfectly fine because we're just going to take it off anyways. These are the hinges here and they go right here. So up in here is where the cabin air filter is located inside this box, so we're going to take this door off. Just notate that it says up right here. When we go to put it back, we need to put it back exactly how we took it off. We're going to squeeze these tabs right here on the sides, pull towards us, pull the door off, okay? The left side does not work like the right side. You don't have to squeeze the tabs on the left side, okay? You can just pull this out. And notate this right here says up also, so when we put this in the right way, this side needs to be out. Here's our filter here, and all it does is it just comes out of this holder like this. Okay, so when we get our new one, we'll just take this one out, put this one back in. Now if you look at the filters, there's always written on the filters, on aftermarket filters, will have airflow directions, okay? But on your factory filters, it'll just say up. On an aftermarket filter, it's gonna say airflow and have an arrow, and it's gonna be pointing down. You always want the airflow going down. You'll notice that the top sides of the filter get dirty. That's because they're pulling the air down. So we want to install an aftermarket filter with the airflow direction going down, okay? If you need one, there's a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can get the right one. And it's going to be a premium filter there. And a premium filter is going to be a little better than a factory filter because it's going to have charcoal embedded in it for odor control. So check that out. It's in the description box and in the comment box. Now when you go to put this back in, you need to make sure you have the back half of it pushed as far back as you can. So I'm actually pulling down on the front and trying to lift the back up, get as far back in there as I can, because this needs to be flat and you need to be able to stick your finger into this hole right here, or this section here. If you can't stick your finger in here, then it's not in all the way. And the reason for that is because the door has these feet on it that go in there, okay? You'll know if you don't have it right because this won't go on. You just slap it on back like that. Get the glove box, line up the hinges. Okay, they just rest on there. We just close the glove box and then hook the damper back up, and that is it. All right, so I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, I appreciate if you could subscribe and support the channel. Hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you in another Toyota video.